Good morning, everybody. Camped right there yesterday and got another good up to start out with this morning. And yesterday was rough. Just a lot of these hills or mountains was really steep, and then the snow made it a muddy mess and it was already washed out. So it was damn near impossible to get my bike up some of them yesterday. It was tough going. Hopefully it goes a little bit easier today. But we only got, I think, like 8 miles or so to town. What's up, everybody? And that was a cold ride down. But I hopped off the Iron Mountain Trail because I knew a Forest Service road went down to 58 or 53, whatever this highway is. And I remember from riding with Wolf on this road a bunch, like going up to Grayson and so on, that it's mostly downhill if you're coming back this way. So I hopped off the Iron Mountain Trail, took a forest road down, and then hopped on that highway for about 3 or 4 miles. But I flew through that. Like, once I got off the gravel, I didn't have to pedal at all. Like, I was pedaled out the whole time, so I was going at least 22, 23 mile an hour the whole time. What's up, everybody? Huge shout out to Sundog Outfitters, the guy that works on bikes in there. Just got my brakes adjusted and everything, and got my derailleur adjusted. And so now I have all my gears again because my bike was just acting all up. I guess it was probably from just all that roughness of the Iron Mountain Trail, all the rocks and the roots and everything. Because I was on a mountain bike trail that has mountain bikes and dirt bikes on it, on a gravel bike. But I gotta say, it pushed through and handled it amazing, mainly because of my 2.3 inch tires and my Redshift suspension seat post. That made it so much better. But yeah, I'm here in Damascus. I haven't really videoed a whole lot today. I hopped off the Iron Mountain Trail, took a forest road down to 58, this road here. Then I connected to the Creeper Trail and rode into town. And I'm staying at Lady D's B&B. It's the only place that's open this time of year, hostel wise. Yeah, got my bike all fixed up, and he only charged me 15 bucks. So that was awesome. So now we're going to go back to the hostel, and then we're going to ride over to Food City in a little while and resupply.